Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Scroll to Learn. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe and share my videos with your friends and family. In this video, we are going to start algebraic expressions. What is algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is an expression which is made up of variables and constants along with algebraic operations like addition, subtraction, etc. So, what is algebraic expression? It is made up of variables and constants along with algebraic operations like addition, subtraction. Here we have an example, 3x plus 4y minus 7. It is an algebraic expression. It contains two variables and one constant. As we know, algebraic expression is made up of variables and constants. So here in this expression, we have two variables and one constant. We have one more example, 4x minus 10. It is also an expression. It contains one variable and one constant. We have one more example, 3m plus 2n plus 11. These two are variables and this is one constant. Let me explain you what are variables and what are constants. Variables are nothing but if we do not know a particular number exactly, so we represent it with a letter. Like here we have x. 3x is nothing but x is a number which we can multiply with 3. We get the number. Here we have y. Y is a number which will be multiplied with 4 to get the number. So when we do not know any number and we represent it with any letter, we call it as variables. That means these values can be changed. And this is a number which is a constant. This value we cannot change. So here variables and constants together make a algebraic expression. So, and one more thing, as it is saying that an algebraic expression must have addition, subtraction, etc. So these two variables and constants are separated with addition and subtraction. Here also we have one minus sign. These two terms are separated with minus. And here we have three different terms, 3m, 2n, 11, and these are separated with plus. So again, let me explain. An algebraic expression is made up of variables, constants along with addition and subtraction. Hope you understood what is an algebraic expression. Is it clear for you? And expressions are made up of terms. Now what is term? Term is nothing but a 3x. 3x is a term here. 4y. 4y is a term here. Minus 7. Minus 7 is also a term here. So, terms together make an expression. Hope you understood this. Let us know about algebraic term and numeric term. What is algebraic term and what is numeric term? Here we have one example, 2x plus 9. So here this 2x is known as algebraic term and this 9 is a numeric term. This expression has two terms. One is algebraic term and the other is numeric term. 3x square is an algebraic term and this 11y is also an algebraic term. Let's see the next example, 10y cube. This is an algebraic term. 7y. This is an algebraic term and this 3 is the numeric term. So, if any number is there with variables or any letter, we call it as algebraic term. And if only number is there, we call it as numeric term. Here all 3x square. Here x square is there with 3. So here it is an algebraic term. This is minus 11y. With 11, it has y. Y is a variable. So this is an algebraic term. 10y cube. With the 10, it has y cube. That means it is a variable. So this is called as algebraic term. 7y. With the 7, it has y. So this is also an algebraic term. Here this is only a number, which is 3. So this is called as numeric term. Hope you understood what is algebraic term and numeric term. Next concept is like and unlike terms. Like terms are terms which contain the same variables with the same exponents. We know the variables. Now what is exponents? Exponent is nothing but power. Like here we have one example, 5x. We have x here as variable, and next is 8x. Here x is also a variable. So in this we have the same variable. And what is the exponent here? X is here 1, and here also 1x. If nothing is there over the x, that means it has 1. Here also it is 1. So that means these two terms are like terms. As the definition says, like terms are terms which contain the same variables and the same exponents. Then we call those terms as like terms. Next example, 7a square. Here the variable is a and it is 14a square. Here the variable is a and it has power 2, and here also it has power 2. That means these two terms are like terms. 3xy and 4xy. Here the variables are x and y, and here also the variables are x and y, and the exponents are also same. 1x, 1y, 1x and 1y. That means these two terms are also like terms. What are unlike terms? Unlike terms are terms which contain same or different variables with different exponents. So here in this what happens, and let us understand this with example. 3x y to the power of 2 and 4x to the power of 2 y. In this case, the variables are same, x and y, x and y, but the exponents are different. Here x is 1 and y is 2, and here x is 2 and y is 1. That means exponents are different. That means these are the unlike terms. Next example is 7x square and 2x. Again the variables are same, x and x, but here the exponent is 2 and here the exponent is 1. That means these two are unlike terms. Next is pq square and 4p square q. Here also we have the variable as pq. Here also we have the variable as pq, but here the p is 1. The exponent of p is 1. The exponent of q is 2. And here it is p is 2 and q is 1. That means exponents are different. So by this we can conclude that unlike terms are those which contain the same or different variables. Variables can be same or different with different exponents. Exponents will also be different. So these terms are called as unlike terms. The next concept is coefficient. What is coefficient? Let us understand this with example. Here we have 9xy. xy are variables. Along these variables we have one number which is 9. So this 9 is the coefficient of xy. This is minus 5x. This x is a variable. Along with this x we have minus 5. So this minus 5 is the coefficient of x. Next we have 12x square y. Here we have the variable as x square y. Along with this we have a number which is 12. So 12 is the coefficient of x square y. Expression. An expression is a single term or a combination of terms connected by the symbols plus or minus. So, what is an expression? An expression can be a single term or it can be a combination of terms, like 6x plus 3y. These are the two terms. So, this is an expression. 2x square. This is a single term. It is also an expression. 3x square plus 2x plus 1y. So, these are the three terms. This is also an expression. 10x cube plus 7y plus 3. This is also an expression. It has three terms. So, these terms are separated with plus or minus symbols. An expression is a single term or a combination of terms. An expression can be a single term or as well as a combination of terms, and these terms will be separated with plus or minus sign. Like here, 6x plus 3y. These two terms are separated with plus sign. 2x square. It doesn't have any sign. That means it is a single term. 3x square plus 2x plus y. These are the three terms which is separated with a plus sign. 10x cube plus 7y plus 3. These are the three terms which is separated with the plus sign. One more important thing about the expression is multiplication and division do not separate the terms. If in between the two terms, if the sign is into or multiplication sign or division sign, this will not separate the terms. Like 2x into 3y. This will be a single term. This multiplication sign cannot separate these two terms. And next example is 2x by 3y. So this division sign will not separate these two terms. This is also a single term. Numeric expression and algebraic expressions. What is numeric expression and what is algebraic expression? If every term of an expression is a constant term, then the expression is called numerical expression. 1 plus 2 minus 9. In this, we have all the constant terms. No variable is there with this. So, such expression is called as numerical expression. One more example, minus 3, minus 5. These two are constants. There is no variables with this. So, this is also a numerical expression. 9 plus 6 minus 5. Here also all the constant terms are there. There is no variables with it. Such terms or such expression which doesn't have any variables and have only constant terms, such expression called as numerical term. If an expression has at least one algebraic term, then the expression is called as algebraic expression. Already we know what is algebraic term, like 4y. Here we have one variable with this. So this is a algebraic term, or we can call it as algebraic expression also. Here we have 3x plus 5. 1 is a constant, but here we have one variable. Only one variable is also enough to call it as algebraic expression. As the definition says, at least one algebraic term must be there. 3x is an algebraic term. So 3x plus 5 is a algebraic expression. 2x minus y. This is also an algebraic expression as it has algebraic terms. Two algebraic terms are there. X minus 11 by 3. So here one is constant and one is algebraic term. This is also an algebraic expression.
Thanks for watching.